Meanwhile, Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile pushes for a tighter watch against tobacco and alcohol product smuggling. According to Enrile, there is a possibility of increased smuggling activities as a result of the expected passage of the sin tax bill. The details from Bianca Piedad.
Following the enactment of the 2013 national budget, a number of priority bills which have been sidelined in the plenary will now be given its due attention. Two of these proposed measures are the sin tax is already under the Bicameral Conference Committee and the Reproductive Health or RH bill, which is still in the period of interpellations by the senators. On the sin tax bill, Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile alarms the authorities on a new brand of cigarette which is said to be proliferating in the market, particularly in Divisoria.
Maraming brands doon na ipinagbibili, natatax. Di ba? May pinalabas doon na mga brands na hindi na pumapasok sa Mindanao na hindi nila tinatax. Ngayon pala mayroon na dito sa Maynila. At ang pangalan ay yun yan. Naganda
Enrile also calls for the start of a campaign against tobacco and alcohol smuggling, as smuggling could trigger steep taxes for the said products.
Pinaabot ko lang sa mga may katungkulan sa ilalim ninyo ito para sa ganon ay ngayon pa rin, palamang, umpisahan na nila ang kampanya kontra sa smuggling. Magmula sa araw na ito, we have to start the campaign against tobacco products, including distilled spirits.
In a related story, the panel of senators who will constitute the BICAM committee is already out. In the list are Senate Ways and Means Acting Chair Senator Franklin Drilon, Senator Panfilo Lacson, Senator Serge Osmeña, Senator Ralph Recto, and Senator Bongbong Marcos for the majority, and Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Pia Cayetano for the minority.
Bongbong at saka at dalawang Cayetano naman ang nasa sa minority. Si Pia na kalaban ng naninigarilyo. Gusto niya patayin yung sigarilyo.
Meanwhile, the leader of the Senate signifies his intention to stand his ground on voting against the RH bill, even if his recommended amendments get the Senator's approval.
Kahit natanggapin yung aking mga proposal, not because of religion, not because of morality, but because of my long-term assessment of what this bill will do to the country.
And really adds that the RH is just masquerading as a health bill is in fact a pretext for population management and control. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.